welcome back to this MBA podcast. इसमें बात होने वाली है MBA finance के बारे में, and we're gonna help you to understand how can you break into financial consulting, which primarily or popularly called as FICA. Okay, I've got these three brilliant students with me. They're from ISME Bangalore, starting with Ritika. She's a second year student and she's been placed, by the way. इनका PPO भी लगा था डेलर्ट से, पर इन्होंने मना कर दिया कि नहीं चाहिए करके. And now she's working with Grant Thornton, which is, I would say, the most aggressive and upcoming sort of a consulting company. They call it as a Big Five now. So she's there. Shrey, right? He got into Deloitte, and Girija got no. That's Gargi, by the way. Yeah, Gargi got into Deloitte as well. These are like first year folks. They're very young. Yeah, just 2021. Are you guys ready for the question? I'm going to ask you some tough questions, okay?
Yeah.
And be honest for my audience and my students, okay? Tell me, what was your percentile in CAT, ZAT, whatever exams that you gave, and what all colleges you left for ISME Bangalore? I'll start with you, Gargi.
Okay. So I gave CAT. I had 86 percentile there.
Okay. 86 is good. It's really good. You were like
Decent.
top 14% in the country. फिर भी ISME आए आप. Okay. Tell us the story.
So I had ISBM, ISBR, Align, Jackson, XIME. Then I chose ISME.
Okay. I'm gonna come back to that. Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Srinagar.
तो वहाँ से इधर लोग उधर जाते हैं. आप इधर आते हैं.
लोग इधर घूमने जाते हैं.
घूमने जाते हैं. Right. So what was the reason to choose Bangalore as a education के लिए?
Bangalore is definitely a hub. It's a professional hub.
Okay.
So that's why I chose Bangalore.
Okay. Cool. Shrey.
So I gave CAT and NMAT. CAT में I got 82 percentile.
Not bad, yeah.
And NMAT में I got 224.
Not bad either.
So I got calls from NMIMs, Hyderabad, and Symbiosis, Bangalore, and ISBR and IBA.
Dude, you chose ISME over and above SIB in Bangalore.
Yeah.
That's the story to watch out for. Okay, I'm gonna come back to that.
Sure.
Ritika, tell us about yourself.
So I scored 90 above percentile. I gave MAT only. I got calls from several colleges, which includes Alliance, ISBR, even Christ, but I didn't opt for it because.
Okay. Ritika has a very different story. Okay. Ritika is getting into finance, but उसका field बहुत अलग है and she's doing some really cool stuff. So, coming back to you, Shrey.
Yeah.
Why ISME over and above all these big brands? Though ISME is also a brand, but would love to understand कि आपने ISME क्यों prefer किया?
See, first is the ROI. The fees, whatever ISME is charging, is pretty less.
क्या fees है आपका? 10 लाख?
10 lakhs 45,000 is the tuition fees, and rest is the.
So special, 10 lakh 45,000.
Yeah, I still remember because I have taken the loan, education loan also, and rest is the hostel fees. So total it is 14 lakhs 50,000. So it is pretty less than what all colleges I had.
So tuition fee अपना 10 लाख है.
Yeah.
उतनी तो प्लेसमेंट लगी जाएगी यार.
हाँ, so ROI was obviously जो कोई MBA करता है तो वो पहले सबसे पहले ROI चेक करता है. So that was the major reason. Second reason was that कि in ISME the curriculum is very flexible. As in कि every year there is a board meeting where they have industry peoples and they give advices कि what all curriculums you need to put in your classes. So that thing really interested me to get into the ISME.
हाँ, मुझे ना बच्चों की ये बात बहुत अच्छी लगती है. They are very well researched. Because living SIB in Bangalore and other colleges, at least SIB in Bangalore and then choosing ISME because of this curriculum which gets updated. I think ये बहुत कम बच्चे करेंगे. ये वही बच्चे करते हैं जो बहुत ज़्यादा well updated है या फिर research oriented है. So appreciate that personality of yours.
Thank you
by
so
the way.
much.
Coming back to you, why ISME?
I chose ISME because the one thing that I really like is that.
How old are you? 19?
No.
How old are you? 21, right? Very young. Okay, but so early into MBA में वो भी आपको पूछना चाहूँगा that why not taking a work ex and then going for MBA? But anyway, let's talk about ISME.
We can take work experience, but for me, I think it's a PCTM course, so it is much more empirical, right? So I thought that it's better if I take some empirical experience in my PCTM, then go for work.
Okay, tell me a couple of pointers for ISME, like 1, 2, 3 points. कि सर ये बहुत अच्छे हैं हमारे यहाँ पे.
Okay, so apparently the curriculum is actually good. We have industry people here. It's not totally that faculty oriented. We have a lot of industry people here, and it keeps changing. So the dynamic market that has been persisting in the actual real world, we got few minutiae of it. Then beside that, the faculties, I would say.
Perfect. Okay, we're gonna go back to Ritika and listen to her. She's got some unique stuff to tell you guys. Ritika, tell us why ISME.
So I opted ISME because of the specialization, which is International Accounting and Taxation, which is basically US CPA. And I always wanted to do US CPA. That's
But how does ISME help? So, अगर हम CPA के बारे में बात करेंगे ना, I would say, I mean, you know, definitely, you know, CA is close to my heart, being an Indian. But अगर हम थोड़ा उनको डिस्काउंट करेंगे तो दुनिया की नंबर 1 अकाउंट की प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन मानी जाती है, दैट इज CPA. एंड अगर आप CPA करते हो ना, आप दुनिया में कहीं भी काम कर सकते हो. मतलब तुम अफ्रीका जाओ, न्यूजीलैंड चले जाओ, कहीं भी तुम काम कर सकते हो. दिस इज व्हाट शी इज परस्यूइंग. बट यू टेल मी, how does ISME help you to get through that CPA wala curriculum?
So what happens is for CPA, even eligibility criteria, you have to score 150 credit points, which is not covered in just UG, that is undergrad. So after PG, you have something like 180 credit hours. So ISME helps in that. Also, ISME ka tie-up is there with Beckers and Simandar Education now also. So we have that direct eligibility criteria, direct help and direct valuation criteria through ISME.
बट रितिका, टेल मी, आगे जाके आपको करियर में कैसे हेल्प करेगा? बिकॉज देखो CPA जो है ना, वो इंडिया में उन्हीं बच्चों को पता है जो, आई मीन तुम्हारी लेवल पे तुमको पता है, बहुत बड़ी बात है टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. तो आगे बच्चों को हेल्प कैसे करेगा? लाइक कहाँ ये वेंचर कर सकते हैं एजुकेशन में?
I didn't get the.
So let's say if I do PGDM along with CPA, मुझे क्या फायदा मिलेगा? मुझे कौन सी प्रोफाइल मिल सकती है, कौन सी जॉब मिल सकती है? नंबर 1. नंबर 2, ये करने से how can I stand out from the other folks in the market?
Just like you said, in India, most of the people don't know about CPA, and there's this herd mentality that you have to go for CA if you have to go into finance, accounting.
Don't say that. It's not a herd mentality. CA is very difficult, but yes, a lot of people would prefer to get into CA.
So many of the people have not heard about CPA, CMA, which is a huge criteria, huge. So for the first mover advantage, I could say, the advantage that I get, and ISME identified it, which is a
But ये doable है, possible है? मतलब CA की इतना difficult है, फिर उससे थोड़ा कम है?
CPA is kind of on the same level of CA, but CA is more difficult, but CPA is less.
Maybe a notch below than chartered accountancy. ठीक है. And eventually you can go for international companies, firms. By the way, you can move abroad also. अगर आप CPA करते हो, and that's a very good choice because ये जो चीजें हैं ना, हमें लगता है हम जॉब मिलने के बाद करेंगे, जिंदगी में टाइम नहीं मिलता. बैंगलोर में तो टाइम नहीं मिलता भाई. आधी जिंदगी ट्रैफिक में चली जाती है, राइट? तो आई थिंक शी इज रियली स्मार्ट कि उन्होंने अपना PGDM के साथ साथ CPA भी चूज कर लिया. सो लॉन्ग वे टू गो. अपना CGPA बताना जरा बच्चों को. CGPA सुन लो मैम, बताओ CGPA. 10 on 10. फाइनेंस में पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है भाई, है ना? एंड पीपल डू स्टडी. नाउ कमिंग बैक टू द $1 million क्वेश्चन. ओके, यू गाइस हैव मेड इट टू FICA. ठीक है, फाइनेंशियल कंसल्टिंग आप ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हो, आप अभी करोगे. आई वुड लव टू अंडरस्टैंड योर रेज्यूमे. कि ऐसी क्या चीज है आपके रेज्यूमे पे जिसकी वजह से आपको वहां पे जॉब मिली? Okay, so Shreya, I'll start with you.
Okay, so first let me tell you what were my expectations when I went for the HR round. So I thought that they will ask me, tell me about yourself, your strengths and weaknesses. So when I went, they directly saw my resume. They just asked me 2 questions. Tell me about your internship, what you exactly learned about your internship, and second is about your project.
आपकी इंटर्नशिप कहाँ पे थी?
I did my internship in IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company in Gurgaon.
Okay.
In the
क्या था, प्रोडक्ट का रोल था या सेल्स का था?
it was basically in the accounts team.
Oh, nice, not bad. How was your how does your resume look like?
Okay, so I've done 3 internships basically. One was in finance, and one is in sales, tech sales, and one is like a real estate one. And beside that, I have project. So they have asked me about that internships, projects, and any certification that you have done.
Okay.
So I have done a certification in taxation. So a few questions about that. See, you just have to be clear about your basics.
Okay.
So
Basics as in finance वाले tasks.
basic finance.
Okay. Ritika, you are more experienced now. Okay. So first question to you is, you tell me कि Ketan sir, if anybody wants to break into Big 4 or Big 5, okay, you got to have these things on your resume. And what are those things?
So what really stood out to me, what really stood out to them was that I had volunteering experience. I did initiate the leadership wala roles. Like in our colleges, we have several committees like CSR, cultural. So I was the president of CSR committee. So they asked me about that. What were they were looking for leadership qualities, communication, and even if you don't have that much experience in that particular role, like tax role, but what you need is great communication skills. So they were looking for that. They also looked for my internship, what we did in our internship, and I also did few of the research wala thing for their company, right?
कंसल्टिंग में रिसर्च काम आता है.
Yeah, so what happened was कि for example Deloitte में when I gave the interview, so I also did few of the courses and Forage, there's this website, free promotion. तो वहाँ पे
there is a website, okay.
हाँ, there's this website where there are several job simulations of several companies, so I did that also. So
तो आपने बहुत हाथ पैर मारे, मतलब you actually worked really hard to get your resume in shape for consulting.
just for learning.
Just for learning. That's you being very modest about it. Anyway, so now you've been working with GT. You have spent substantial time वहाँ पे. तो पहले ना बच्चों को बता दो कि IISc में ना इसमें एक फंडा है that's called as ITP. जहाँ पे आपको in the month of September, October, November and December I think आप जॉब करते हो. There are tier 1 companies जो आपको प्लेसमेंट देते हैं, आपको स्टाइपेंड मिलती है, अच्छी खासी स्टाइपेंड मिलती है. अगर उनको आप अच्छे लगे, आपका परफॉर्मेंस अगर अच्छा हुआ तो आपको पीपीओ मिल जाता है. तो रितिका ने डेलॉइट छोड़ के शी गॉट इनटू जीटी एंड होपफुली यू शुड गेट पीपीओ फ्रॉम देयर, राइट? गुड विशेस फॉर दैट. बट टेल मी, कंसल्टिंग वाला जॉब होता कैसे है? हाउ डज अ डे लुक लाइक?
In which company would you want?
In GT.
In GT, now it is like you get to the office. मेरा तो day simple. I'll get to the office. I'll drink my coffee. I'll have a little bit of chat with my friends. I'll get to work. Work में I'll try to learn as much as I can about audit procedure, what the client does, because in the initial we have to identify what the client does, right?
So do you interact with clients?
As an intern, I don't, but
Okay.
My seniors do, and they also visit the offices. And
What do you really like about consulting job? कि यार, you know what, Kiran sir, this is good stuff.
I get to learn as much as I can, and in consulting you have to research. So as much knowledge you can have, that is great thing. And also the thing is, I get to transfer that knowledge, KT, knowledge transfer.
Right.
So
You get help from your seniors?
Yeah.
तो कहाँ से आए हैं? Like CAs है आपके around
हाँ,
CA,
CAs
CPA,
है,
IIMs वाले बच्चे?
CPAs है, ACCAs है,
Even ACCA is good, yeah.
ACCA है, CMAs है. So there are many people.
So all accounting का.
Accounting, finance.
Okay. Great. ठीक है. Coming back to, rather I'll have this one follow-up question to you, Ritika. Follow-up question to you. A lot of people say that auditing and taxation while consulting is kind of boring. Do you believe that?
No.
Okay. ठीक है. What's your take? Do you guys have any take on that?
On what?
Auditing and taxation, is it boring?
I don't think it's boring.
Yeah.
Is it why?
See, primarily it's a subjective thing. I personally like
ये
it.
बहुत
stay or
स्मार्ट है.
not.
ये प्रॉपर एमबी वाले आंसर देते ना. She said it's subjective. तो subjective मतलब यार हो ही गया. But anyway, go ahead. हाँ, go ahead. It depends and it's subjective. ये दो एमबी के jargon आपको जिंदगी भर काम आएंगे. बोलो.
I don't find it boring.
हाँ, मैं ना आपको एक हैक बताता हूँ, ठीक है? जो बिग फोर होते हैं ना गाइस, आप भी सुन लेना, सब बच्चों के लिए है. जो बिग फोर होते हैं ना, बिग फोर हेल्प यू लाइक अ मारियो जंप. वो गेम देखा आपने? नहीं. आप तो बहुत अच्छा, तुम्हें पता है मारियो? तो मारियो जंप एक आती है, वो मारियो वाला जो गेम होता है. So if you look at Big Four ना, Big Fours would pay you decent amount of money when you begin career with them. But Big Four में अगर आप 1-1.5 साल रुक गए, उनके नाम पे आपकी सैलरी बाहर मार्केट में ना 3x 4x हो जाती है. And the kind of work that you get to learn there is amazingly good. तो भाई अगर आपको Big Four वगैरह में अगर, and mostly ना बच्चा लोगों को financial consulting ना Big Four में ही मिलता है पहला ब्रेक. तो बिंदास ले लेना. there is lot to study, lot to learn also. And जहाँ तक taxation का सवाल है guys, यार देखो अपनी अपनी बातें हैं. कुछ लोगों को टैक्सेशन वाली कंसल्टिंग बहुत अच्छी लगती है, किसी को फाइनेंशियल एनालिसिस वाली लगती है, किसी को इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग टाइप वाली लगती है, राइट? तो आई थिंक दैट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल गेम ऑल टुगेदर. लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे, हाउ इज लाइफ इन ISME?
It's pretty balanced, I would say. I think.
सच बता ना क्या?
मैं सच से बता रहा हूँ. I think I won't lie. I think it's pretty good. Now we are more chill.
फाइनेंस को लेके
I would say that we are very satisfied because the faculties, they are very experienced. They are not faculty ki they have come from an education institute. They are from the big fours only.
Practitioners.
Yeah, one of our teacher is from KPMG, someone is from McKinsey. So I think these things have really helped us to get a strategic out.
You all have finance का background or some of you are engineer?
No, I am BCom honors.
BCom.
BBA.
BBA.
तो engineers कैसे survive करते हैं यहाँ पे?
No, that's the thing now that Ritika has told earlier that the college knows that students will gonna come from every background. So they start classes with from very financial basics. From a first term, we study about the journals, accounting equations, very basic. And plus the faculties, they are very helpful.
One more thing I want to add. Even before the term 1 starts, we have 15-day bridge program. In that 15,
that's nice.
yeah,
That's
in that 15 days, from very basic, they will teach you accounting, all the subjects which we are going to start, very basic, like operations, everything, very basic. So I think in 15 days, whosoever is from the non-commerce background, they get the taste what they are going to learn in those 6-7 months.
Okay.
Plus, we have a very interesting subject in this term right now, where we study about all the financial disaster that has happened, the loopholes.
Seriously?
Exactly.
That's very important.
GFCs and all.
Being a finance guy, I can tell you, कंसेप्ट बाद में पढ़ो, पहले देखो कि ये इश्यूज क्यों हुए, क्यों लेमन ब्रदर गिरा, क्या सत्यम का स्कैम हुआ था. प्लीज गिरी इसके बारे में थोड़ा गार्गी और बता देना.
So we have this subject, we call it Indian financial system and financial market, where we study about what all the financial disaster that has happened all around the world.
Via case study.
Yes, via case study.
Nice. Can you name a few?
Like we have right now we have done the great financial crisis. After that we have done a lot of scams. That the Adani scam, that Adani allegation and allegation because it's still not proven, so it's still.
I know that was on the auditing front, accounting and auditing front. Good.
And Harshit Mehta, Ketan Parekh, his ban. So it is not technically all about that financial technicalities. You're getting to learn about what are the loopholes in the financial markets are. How should we improve it?
Right. I love that because you know, honestly, finance अगर आपको पढ़ना है ना, आपको थोड़ा financial mismanagement की तरफ देखना भी बहुत जरूरी है. You know, Lehman Brothers का जो scam है, लोग कहते हैं it's a subprime crisis, but they found an accounting loop. वो एक accounting loop में ना पूरा balance sheet उनका change कर दिया, जहाँ पे जो liability होती है उन्होंने वो asset करके report करना चालू कर दिया. And there is something called as collateral management. As an investment banker हमने वो करा है, collateral से loan वगैरह देना. तो it's a very cool concept by the way, but हाँ वो काम आता है. I'm really happy कि ISME में ये चीजें पढ़ाई जाती हैं. बोलो.
Also in fintech we have fintech subject जहाँ पे हमें like fintech perspective से Lehman Brothers के बारे में बताया था, how they were that big and how एक fintech मतलब they weren't able to forecast it कि subprime loans कैसे जिसकी वजह से पूरा downfall हुआ, subprime loans की वजह से कैसे गिरा.
I love this because this is my favorite topic and मैं इसके ऊपर मैं घंटों बात कर सकता हूँ. I can explain you कि उसने कैसे पूरा scam किया था, but anyway maybe some other video for that. My last question for the day, okay? 6-7 महीने पहले या फिर 8 महीने पहले you were on the other side of the table. आपके लिए शायद से 1.5 साल होगा. You know now all the folks CMAT का रिजल्ट आना बाकी है. By the time भी वीडियो आ जाएगी आ भी जाएगा. CAT is done, ZAT is done, SNAP is done, and MAT is done, CMAT is also done. Okay, and a lot of people might be having a good potential, but not sure कि यार MBA हो पाएगा, क्या करूँ? Because 86 भी कम परसेंटाइल लगता है, 82 भी कम लगता है. Because जब 82 आता है तब लगता है कि 95 क्यों नहीं आया, right? And they're in FOMO कि बाकी फ्रेंड्स का हो रहा है मेरा नहीं हुआ, right? आपकी लेवल के बच्चे हैं वो, सेम एज ग्रुप है, आप उनको क्या एज ए फ्रेंड एडवाइस देना चाहोगे? एंड मुझे प्रैक्टिकल एडवाइस नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कुछ लाइफ ओरिएंटेड वाला एडवाइस चाहिए. Something that comes from your heart. What you would love to advise them?
Do your research.
About
the college. जैसे इन्होंने research करा था about the board meetings. I researched about CPA and she researched about the college life, campus life.
Because बहुत noise है market में. So I think you know just don't get into the rat race मेरे ख्याल से. Research करना जरूरी. So I take that point. Yes.
A lot of colleges with good rankings and everything, but you have to check the curriculum too.
Exactly.
So that matters a lot. Like, is their curriculum aligns with your goal? I think it matters a lot.
Shreya?
To the current students, I would just say, don't waste your year because when you have a gap year, it will really reflect in the interview. I have seen with my friends, those who went for the Deloitte interview. Second thing, I would say that just relax, it will happen. Don't waste your year. Even if you are not going for the MBA, go for WorkX, but don't sit idle. That's what I would say. And don't do MBA only if you think that you can survive those 2 years. I would just say that it is not easy to survive 2 years. Honestly, it is very hectic. If you are made for it, if you think you can do it, then only do it. because I know many of us are currently sleep deprived. We are relaxed because
that's what MBA is all about.
yeah, exactly. That's
बट ये एक अच्छी चीज़ है यू नो एक्चुअली आप तीनों अग्री करोगे लोगों का ऐसा भ्रम होता है या फिर कंसेप्शन होता है कि खाली जो जाने माने टॉप नॉच कॉलेजेस है वहाँ पे ही रिगर होता है बाकी कॉलेज में तो बच्चे ना पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं सब लोग पार्टी कर रहे हैं तो भाई ये गलत है मैं आईसीएमए में बैठा हूँ और ये बच्चे मेहनत कर रहे हैं ये अपना कॉलेज करके जॉब भी कर रही है शी इज लर्निंग ऑल्सो शी इज डूइंग सीपी ऑल्सो शी इज डूइंग 3 थिंग्स ऑल टुगेदर सो हाँ भाई रिगर तो है नो डाउट अबाउट दैट एनीथिंग यू वांट टू ऐड ऑन
I just want to say that don't think that once you get into the B school you will get placement everything हाथ में मिल जाएगा. No, you have to work hard a lot. Like we know that what we have actually went to get the Deloitte. Like there was too much competition, and when we actually get that, it was like a
I can feel that. But anyway, congratulations on that. And guys, thank you so much for giving some time.
Thank you so much.
आप काफी यंग हो. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Make sure करना कि अगले साल में आऊँगा तो मैं आपकी फाइनल प्लेसमेंट वाली इंटरव्यू करूँगा आपके
Sure,
साथ.
sure.
And जियो यार.
Thank you.
Cheers. That's it from us, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.